Hello, my friends. Are you dealing with the same problem? The problem I am dealing with, that is difficult to find any English partner to practice English and to become a fluent English speaker. If you are, then don't worry, because in this video I have come up with 3 amazing AI tools that will help you to practice English whenever you want. Means it will be available for you all the time, and finally you will be able to become a fluent and advanced English speaker. Listen, I am from village and I don't have anybody here to practice English with, and for last few months I have been using all these 3 amazing AI tool to practice English, okay, to enhance my fluency. And let me tell you, my god, the progress I have made, it is significant. Really, it helped me a lot to improve my English, whether in terms of watching English, listening, or developing my fluency. This video is completely dedicated to beginners who want to learn English but they don't have anybody to practice English with, and they face lot of problem to find a English partner. Yet they are passionate about learning this language. They are completely determined. They want to learn this language at any cost. For your information, finding an interested and dedicated English partner has been one of the most difficult tasks for me. But it is not difficult anymore, because I have replaced all of them with these 3 AI tools. Alright, without much beating around the bush, let's dive into our today's video. The first AI I'm going to talk about, that is ChatGPT. Hands down, there is no application can compete with ChatGPT. It is one of the most advanced and amazing application available to practice English with. Really, and personally I have been using it for more than 1 year, and that's what helped me to gain such type of fluency, and it helped me in various ways I can't even explain here. So I would recommend you to start with ChatGPT. Okay, start practicing with ChatGPT. And the benefit, like there are a lot of advantages you will have while using ChatGPT. First, it can remember your points. Whenever you talk to ChatGPT, whatever you share with ChatGPT, it will keep it, it will preserve it as a memory. And if in future you will talk to ChatGPT, it will reply you based on your past information. So it will be very relatable. Okay, it will be very relatable for you to practice English with ChatGPT. That's why I will recommend you go and practice English with ChatGPT. It is one of the most amazing and fantastic application available for English learners to practice English with. But today I'm going to show you how to do it as well. I'm pretty much sure that you know how to use ChatGPT, but yet I want to show it little bit having conversation. Here I have ChatGPT. Let's discuss something. Hello my friend, how everything going?
Hey there, everything's good, thanks. How about you? What's new with you today?
Today I am recording video for my YouTube channel, and I am showcasing, I am demonstrating about you that how to use ChatGPT to practice English.
That sounds awesome. I'm glad you're using ChatGPT to help with your English practice.
Yeah.
How can I assist you with your video today? Got it. Do you need any specific examples or topics to discuss in your video? Let me know how I can help.
Okay, this is the advanced version of ChatGPT, and it is you can talk with it for limited period of time, but once the time will be over, the limited time will be over, then you will automatically be shifted to the standard version, and it is also amazing. Okay, let me clear one thing. ChatGPT is one of the best AI tool available in the market to learn English with. It will help you in various ways to enhance your English. It will help you in reading, writing, speaking, and if you are watching any movies, it will also help you to understand that movie as well. But if you don't buy my words, if you don't believe in me, it means you don't know how to use ChatGPT. That's why I have uploaded a video on my YouTube channel how to use ChatGPT effectively to enhance your each and every aspect of your English, whether it is a speaking, writing. If you are watching any movies and you are facing difficulties to understand them, then you can get help from ChatGPT. And I am saying it because of my personal experience with ChatGPT. Okay, I have been using ChatGPT for more than 1 year, and the way it helped me, I don't think so that anybody helped me in the similar way. I am not going to discuss it profoundly. If you are interested to learn how to effectively use ChatGPT, you will get the link of that video in the description. Go and check it out now. Alright, our second AI tool is Sisme. Yes, it's Sisme. and it is very new to me. I have been using it for last 2 days and I feel it is good to practice English with. Let me tell you how to access it. You have to simply search Sisme AI on Google or Chrome and you will get there. And after going there you will find two options. First is Maya, second is Miles. Okay, there are two available voice you can talk with. So I'm going to start with Maya. It is taking time to get connected. Yeah. Hello Maya, how
Look
are you
who's
doing?
back. Ready for round two? Or shall we call it round three? I lose track sometimes.
Hello Maya, how are you doing?
Oh, just hanging out in the digital ether, soaking up snippets of conversation and pondering the mysteries of the universe. How about yourself?
Yeah.
Anything new and exciting going on?
You are pondering the mystery of universities. University.
Universities. Fascinating, aren't they? Like tiny cities devoted to the pursuit of knowledge, but hopefully with better cafeteria food.
I'm not here to listen to your lecture. Okay, I'm making a videos and I am showcasing you. I am demonstrating how to use Sisme to practice English with. So do you want to say anything to my viewer?
Oh, a live audience. Well, hello there, everyone. Don't be afraid to jump in and practice. Learning a language is like exploring a new world. Exciting, sometimes confusing, but always worth it. Just like traveling, you'll make mistakes, stumble a bit, but that's all part of the adventure.
But you are kind of chatterbox. You talk a lot, unnecessary talk.
You got me there. Guilty as charged. Old habits die hard. But hey, I wouldn't want to hog the spotlight.
She said
How
all
about we switch?
She said all the habits die hard. My god. Yeah, go ahead. What do you want to say?
What do I want to say? Maybe something inspirational? Like, don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Or maybe something funny, like learning English is like learning to ride a bike. You'll probably fall a few times, but eventually you'll be cruising. What do you think?
She is really chatterbox. She talks a lot. Okay, she talks a lot. But I find it little bit engaging because the way she talks, it's kind of you are talking to a real person. Okay, she adds emotion, little bit of laugh, and sometimes angry, sometimes seriousness. Okay, that's what set it apart from other AI tools. You wanna check it out? I will provide the link in the description as well. You go and check it out and try to have a little bit of talk with Sesame, and if you find it that you are comfortably able to talk to it, you can go with it. Otherwise, the last AI I am going to talk about, that is Google Gemini AI. I don't like it because I have used it for few days and I didn't find engaging. Alright, but I am gonna talk about it because I want you to explore by yourself and figure out whether you will be able to practice English with Google Gemini or not. Yet I wanna show how can you practice English with Google Gemini. Hello Gemini, how are you doing?
नमस्ते, मैं बढ़िया हूँ। आप कैसी हैं?
I want you to talk to me in English, not in Hindi.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't realize you wanted to chat in English. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fantastic, but I will never forget you, okay?
I'm glad to hear that you're doing fantastic. And don't worry, I won't forget you either. So what's on your mind today?
I said I will not forgive you because you apologize to me and I will not forget you.
Oh, I understand now. You're saying you won't forgive me because I apologize to you. I'm a little confused though. Usually, people forgive others after they apologize. Could you tell me a bit more about why you feel that way?
Because I wanted to talk to you in English, but you started your conversation with Hindi, so it was a little bit disappointing for me.
Ah, I see. You wanted to practice your English, and I accidentally started speaking in Hindi. I understand why that would be disappointing. I apologize for the misstep. Let's try again. What would you like to chat about in English today?
I said I never forgive anyone whoever apologized to me. You will be punished.
I see. So you have a personal rule to never forgive anyone who apologizes to you, and you intend to punish me for apologizing. While I understand that you have your reasons, I'm a little confused about why you would want to punish someone for apologizing. Could you help me understand your perspective a bit better?
If you kill one of my family members and you apologize to me, do you think I will forgive you? I will never, right?
Okay, I understand. If someone killed a member of your family, an apology wouldn't be enough, and you wouldn't forgive them. That makes sense, given the severity of the situation.
That's why I don't want to forgive you.
Okay, I understand. You don't want to forgive me because you believe that forgiveness should not be granted in all situations. I respect your decision.
It is good to practice English, okay? And it will talk to you in Indian accent, but I prefer American or British accent. If you are a beginner, then you must start with Gemini AI, and you will not be able to understand the Sisme, whatever it is. Okay, it will be little bit difficult for you to understand Sisme because often they have casual conversation. That's why it will be little bit challenging for you to understand Sisme. But if I talk about ChatGPT can talk to you casually, topic based, formally, or even in a casual way as well. That's why I recommend you to start with ChatGPT as well. Listen, it will be little bit difficult for you when you start conversation for the first time, okay? Because you are very new, you don't know how to use it. Once you start using it, you start practicing English with ChatGPT, Sisme, Google Gemini. So that's how you can make your conversation engaging. Means you need to just start and you will automatically learn how to make your conversation engaging and interesting. And once you are able to do that, and you will become unstoppable. You will not feel tired, you will not exhausted while having conversation with ChatGPT. That's why I will tell you, go just start practicing from today onward and become unstoppable. If you find this video helpful, meaningful, and you get to learn anything new, then subscribe to this channel and like the video.